Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys the third part of my series where I took clothes that I found around my room and turned them into something that I would wear now. And this video, I will be turning a skirt that I've had for a long while. I'll be turning it into a dress now. Yeah. So if you want to see how I did that, just continue watching this video. So the first step as I start most of these DIYs is to turn the skirt inside out. Then with your ruler and marker, you're going to mark down how far you want the elastic to be for the center at the front, and then slant it upwards and then go straight around the rest of the skirt. I hope that was explained well. Next step is to attach the tube to the skirt, and I use some common pins to hold it down so that it doesn't move around while you're sewing it. As soon as you have it all pinned down and it's to your liking, you can begin sewing. You can use sewing machine or you can sew it by hand. I am sewing it by hand, so yeah, you just sew it. Like, what else we need to say right here? After you sewed all around it, close the stitch and cut the excess thread. Next, I'm going to add a common pin to the elastic, and for safety reasons, I actually wrapped the pin with tape so that if it unhooked, I wouldn't hurt myself. Then you feed it through the tube, and this step is not as complicated as it may seem. This is probably the most complicated step though, you know? After I've pushed it through, I just sew one of the ends close. Only one for now, because this step I am stretching the elastic to how tight or how loose I want it to be, and then I can sew the other side close. And that's it for this very, very simple DIY. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I want to know in the comment down below, for all you dress wearers, what style and what length of dress do you prefer the most? Add me on Snapchat and Instagram, and please remember to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post any new videos. Bye guys!